Welcome to day 19 of a movement a day Qigong. We're going to do teacups today. So we can take a little bit wider stance, get ourselves situated. And we're going to be as if we've got a teacup in our hand. The basic hip movement is going to be like day one, hip circles. And what we're going to do is we're going to fingers forward, cup, palm face up, across, and then fingers towards the body, and then up over the head. And the hips are swaying. So it's the ultimate silk reeling exercise. You're getting all your joints. Very challenging. Keeping that palm face up. And it's not so important whatever route you're taking with your hand, as long as you're keeping that palm up, which sometimes means you got to really move the wrist or the elbow or the shoulder. Convolute the body, depending on where you're stiff. Because if you're stiff in one place, you have to compensate with another place. So yeah, do the best you can with this. And notice how your body's feeling. Notice where you're tight. This morning, I got a little bit of lower back tightness. And we can switch sides. We can actually try it with a teacup. You're feeling ambitious. You can get some tea before practice. And this is my left side, so it's going to be a little harder. Go across the body, fingers in. And to really keep that water in, I've got to twist quite a bit, which is great. Notice how fabulous it feels to reel the body. That silk reeling. Oiling the joints, keeping everything lubricated and moving. It's pretty good. So yeah, that's why it's called teacups. How's it been going? 19 days. Your body's probably feeling pretty good. Now, Qigong is great, but you have to remember that learning Qigong or watching Qigong will not give you the benefits of practicing Qigong. And doing the same movements every day is what keeps the body really well lubricated. Keeps the body flowing, keeps the qi moving, keeps you healthy. Any disease process, even a cold, all the way to cancer, is all started with stagnant energy. So you can prevent a lot of illnesses just by keeping that energy going. Have a little tea. Put that down. I'm going to double it up. So now you've got a platter of teacups. Let's start with the fingers towards the body and keeping both palms up. You're a server with a whole tray of teacups. It seems really simple that all we need to do to keep the body healthy is keep it moving. But it's kind of true. And it's not just the physical movement and the energetic movement. We have to look at where we're blocked. So Qigong is also all about removing blockages. And sometimes those blockages are mental. And a lot of times. I was noticing this week, have my grandchildren visiting, that as much as I love, every once in a while I'd have resistance. Like I'd want to do something different. Then I've got the toddler, right? It's like, can we do something more interesting? And that's where I would get a block, because I could feel, I became aware of the sensations of that resistance in my body, and I noticed where it was. You know, I'd get tired and I'm like, I just want to go relax and not watch and not change another diaper or anything like that. So mental block. kind of made my day a little less pleasant because of the way I was thinking. And sometimes, and always, a lot of those blocks are subconscious. And so the whole process of becoming more aware of our body, more aware of our processes is really great. Yeah. So I'm going one direction, you might have noticed, and I keep switching directions. Sometimes you can go one for half the time and the other for the after time, but I'm just into the movement right now. Jabbering away out in the garden. Yeah. Once you get going with these, you know, sometimes it takes a little longer to get the body all oiled up than others. It feels good. I can feel the, you know, if you aim your eyes towards the teacups, you're getting a nice rotation on your neck as well. Other direction again. Watching my hands. Notice how the body's feeling. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.